Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are back with a new video featuring Eden Body Works, their Papaya Castor line. I've had this product in my arsenal for a long time, so I figured let me try it, see how I like it, and see what my thoughts are about the product altogether. Now, I did not film the washing aspect because, let's just be honest, washing my hair is a lot. So, especially because there's no like deep conditioner, and it's this bottle right here, I wasn't able to even show it in the next few clips, but just to show you what the bottle looks like, is honestly amazing. I really did like it. It's a nice, soft, gentle cleanser. It doesn't suds very much, but it does have a creamy consistency. My hair did not feel stripped, so I honestly really loved this product. But as far as the styling products, I will be showing you guys how I implemented that in my styling routine after washing my hair. And I did talk about kind of like my ideas and how I felt about the product, what I think it's good for as far as season is concerned. But I did want to even show you guys my hair after it's like a week and a half, my hair. However, I did have to retwist it. That's always the case usually, no matter what products I use. I always have to get moisture back into my hair after a week. So this is just how my hair looks after a week and a half, but adding a little bit more product. I didn't use the same product. I used Melanin Hair Care just to kind of just refresh my hair, and then retwisted it. However, the product that I used before is underneath. I don't know if that counts. But I at least wanted to come on here and show you guys my hair, the voluminous greatness that I love after about a week or two that my hair gets once I refresh it. So if you want to see how my hair turned out using the first week, or during the first week of using these products, keep on watching. Okay guys, so my hair is freshly washed, and I did use the Eden Body Works, I used the Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser, this baby right here. And I'm so sorry that I did not film this part because it was definitely film worthy. The consistency of this shampoo, or scalp cleanser I should say, is very creamy. It's not overly lathering, like where you have a lot of bubbles and everything, but it has a creamy, like, I was gonna say aftertaste. Not aftertaste, but just like you can, I don't know how to describe it. It's just bomb, and it's very moisturizing, and I can detangle my hair while using it, which is a major plus. So definitely highly recommend this scalp cleanser. So bomb. Now, I did not get the leave-in conditioner from them. What I'm going to be using for styling is going to be the Nourishing Curl Jam and the Conditioning Hair Dress, which is kind of like a butter. So this will be using for like sealing the twist down. Now, they did send me, and I'm sorry that the packaging looks like this, but it went through it. But I did use this a little bit. This is their scalp massaging serum. I'll probably pop in the pictures of these so that they look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. But this is really great because if you have itchy scalp, this will definitely nourish your scalp without it like having a lot of buildup. It's like a gelatin kind of a consistency. So I might add that into my scalp as I'm parting it and twisting it. So this is definitely going to be my first time using all these products together for a style. I feel like I've used, no I have not. It's brand new. I gotta tell you, I think I had this for almost a year, and I have not used it. That or the cleanser. The only thing I have used that won't be like a first impression is the hair dress, like as a butter for my ends, and the scalp massaging serum. So these have definitely been bomb since I've used them. So we'll see how all three of these look together. What I have in my hair right now is the Melanin Hair Care Leave-In, the multi-purpose leave-in conditioner. I don't know why. Yeah, I usually start off with this part because you guys can at least see what I'm doing, and that part can dry the quickest because the front of the hair is so important. That's where you want the majority of your definition to be, in the front of your hair. So that's why I usually start off with this part. So I'm going to take these glasses off. If you guys saw my previous video, my hair color, it's so weird to see my hair so black. Like, I can't believe, I think this helps me to see how black my hair is because I had the color in it last time. So yeah, should be very thankful for my dark hair. Sometimes I don't mind a little jagged part because, you know, it looks real. But then sometimes that's how the breakage can happen too. So now that my part is clean, I'm going to put this back up. Alright, so I'm gonna part this area here. My parts should pretty much still kind of already be there from the last time. All right, so I have my first part down. That is not going to be super neat, and that's okay. I'm going to put that scalp massaging serum. Okay, maybe I do need to make this a little bit neater because I'm telling you, with flat twist, you want to make sure those parts are as slick as possible because when you are grabbing hair, you don't want to pull too much. I have my first part down. Now I'm going to go in with the serum, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that in there. Get some good moisture. Now this line smells divine. It smells so good. The shampoo or the scalp cleanser, oh my goodness. It smelled amazing. So I'm just going to massage that into my scalp. Look at that. So it's nice and juicy. It's definitely hydrating. And I like to focus on those edges too because I know that's what gets the most tension. It's like a nice gloss of hydration. I like that. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the Curl Jam. Consistency. It is a little thick, but not overly thick. So I'm just gonna work that into this section. Again, another amazing smell from this product. I don't mind my products being scented. I like to walk around and smell like a fruit basket in the Bahamas. So if you are a little sensitive to scent, this is very scenty, so don't know. But it's not to the point where it's like overpowering. Like it's a nice scent, in my opinion. I don't know. Some people might be sensitive to it. Okay, so we have some nice little slip going on. Definitely giving me definition as well. And so the hair dress, which, like I said, I've used before, and it's a butter consistency. It's kind of gritty as well, but it melts down. So I'll mainly be focusing, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna take a little bit of that. And I'm gonna really make sure I warm it up into my hand. And I'm going to put that right on top. And of course at the ends as well, once I get to that part. So I want to really get like that slip right in here and the moisture here too, because I'm more prone to that breakage. I'm just going to comb a little bit beforehand. And I have a little bit of the hair tea left over that I use for my deep conditioner. I'm just going to use a little bit of that. I'll wake up scalp a little bit, have some lubrication there for my hair. And so I'm just going to prepare the spot where I'm going to start. And I like to have a little product in my hand, again, to help with the slip. What I've also been making sure I do is comb as I twist. Something I never really took seriously, but I think it's important to do that. My hair feels a little dry, like I need some more product along the way. This will definitely be good for someone who likes to do wash and goes. The consistency of this product is light enough where you can kind of pair it with a gel. However, we'll see again how this comes out as a twist out. I knew I'm missing something. I love this brush to use for my ends, especially because I feel like it just kind of clumps the curls together. There you go. All right, so we have a nice, tight, thick twist right there. And then I always take my rat tail, get those ends, and then I'm gonna take that hairdress, take a good amount and get those ends. Your ends are so important. That gets a lot of friction throughout the week. And you wanna make sure that it's nice and moisturized. Okay, so we have one twist down. gonna show you guys the one more twist. Curl definition is popping though. You know, and I feel like my camera sometimes don't be getting that. I be feeling like a fool when I look at the video, like, you know, it's not really showing the curl poppage, but it's here. It's here, y'all. My hair is just drying quickly. Usually I have my plastic cap over my hair. So that's why I like to have a little hair tea handy, just to rejuvenate my hair a bit. There you go. Never be afraid of rehydration. And I love this hair tea because it's, you know, it has good nutrients in it versus just spraying my hair with water. There we go. So I'm going in with this brush just to get my ends, because I have a lot of texture on my ends. And that seems to be the part that does not like to curl too much until we get that tool in there. I'm adding that curl jam again. And I think I'm just gonna keep the hairdress for my ends once I get to the bottom. The gritty texture, I don't know how that's gonna look when it dries down. So I think I'm just gonna stick to this. And you know what? I'm about to take some oil because I need to stop acting like my hair don't need that LOC method, or LCO method, I should say. Get some oil action going on. So I'm using the Moisture Love, I think it's Seal with a Kiss oil. I'll make sure to link it in my description, so don't worry. Oh, I'm forgetting to comb along the way. It's a pretty thick piece right there. However, I did not want to make this too thin because, again, with my breakage issue, yeah, I'm getting tired already. That's a sad shame. All right, guys, you already know how I twist my hair, so I'm not gonna make this all about twisting. I'm gonna finish this up, show you how it looks once it's done twisted, and then we're gonna get down to the nitty-gritty with the results. Be back. Okay, I am all done and burned 1,000 calories. Seriously though, doing my hair literally is such an exercise. I'm pretty sure anybody can attest to that who's got thick hair. So this is how my twists look. I think we have a total of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 twists throughout my entire hair. And it looks good. My hair feels good. You can definitely tell that this is not a product that sits on your hair, because usually sometimes I'll see like whiteness left over if I'm using like a really heavy product. But it seems like this just kind of seeps right into my hair, which I'm so here for. And I'm always here for snipping off agalicious ends. I don't know where that went, but in any event, going to let this dry. Today is Wednesday, so takeout is always on Saturday, so it has enough time to dry and set. So I'll be back in 3 days. Alright guys, so I am back a few hours later as per usual. I'm always rushing in the morning, so I can never actually film the takedown like precisely and it's always a little bit later. So in any event, wanted to show you guys the results of my hair, and I actually like showing it to you guys a few hours later, being that my hair gets to set and kind of fill in, it's not gappy. But my hair looks good. I have a good measure of volume for day one. My hair is moisturized, it feels soft. I think I'm just trying to get used to my hair being black, because I did have the temporary color in my hair a week ago. So like I can't believe how black my hair is. But in any event, like overall, I like the products. We'll see how it holds up throughout the week, and just see, you know, if The moisture leaves very fast. I mean, for the most part, I feel like I always have to refresh my hair anyway after a week, no matter what I'm using. But as far as just the results of definition and moisture, we're doing good. Like, I like it. This is a really good product. I would definitely say this is more of a product to use in the warmer months, because it's really lightweight, but I feel like it's a product that can be paired with like a gel. Definitely great for a wash and go. But if you want something heavy to really lock in moisture and really lock in definition, something maybe a little bit thicker would go good. That's why I wanted to use that butter along with it as well. But as far as the product altogether, I didn't have any issues with it. I like it. My hair smelled amazing, and it was like a nice way to kind of just close off the summer using a summery scent. But I definitely would give this a thumbs up. Like I mentioned before earlier in the video, love the scalp cleanser. That is like bomb. Love it. And the curl jam is pretty great. So we'll see how it holds up, but it's definitely giving me some nice fluffy results, which I like because the shrinkage is real, and my hair is growing in, but it looks good. I like it a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other products or like hairstyles you think I should try, even though I'm a simpleton, guys, because really when it comes to trying new things with my hair, it can really ruin a wash week, especially if it doesn't come out right. I don't have that type of energy to redo it again. But, you know, sound it off in the comments if you do want to see something different. If there's a certain product that you want me to try, if I have it, even though I'm on a no buy. Either way, just let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this twist out, of this styling product. If you've tried it before, if you've tried Eden Body Works, it's really, really popular for naturals, especially when they're first starting out. So I love the brand altogether. The products are great. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. See you in my next one.